Good day, mateys, and thanks for tuning in to Pirates and Teepees. Joshua Besnay here, and I am going off-grid. So this is episode 2, and the thing I'm working on now is getting this kitchen put in and a few basic things. So you'll see behind me I have a retaining wall that I am building like dry rock style, and filling that in. That's going to end up being the kitchen countertop. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications, and maybe even like this video if you are so inclined. The other things I'm working on is getting drainage put in here. I'm making a French drain. Right now I have this easy flow pipe with perforated holes in it, and I'm going to be running the water off my system with that. And I've also got a little shop put in, just using old frames from like a tent garage that I had before the frame, and my neighbor gave me the frame, and then I used an old pool cover to create the roof. So, all right, that's the next step here. I'm gonna have to cut some more ditches, and I will keep you guys posted. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button and have a piratical day.